In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging social media posts using Buffer combined with Canva for added visual flair. This process is perfect for enhancing your brand's image or just spicing up your personal online presence with eye-catching posts. Let's dive right into how you can do this efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to open Buffer. Buffer is a powerful tool for scheduling and managing your social media posts across various platforms. It's user-friendly and offers a streamlined way for you to maintain your online presence. Once you're in Buffer, you'll notice a range of options, but what we're focusing on today is creating a new idea for your posts. Start by clicking on the Create button, which is usually located in a visible section of your screen. This button is your gateway to bringing new content ideas to life. Within this section, you'll want to select the plus New Idea option. This is where you begin drafting the concept for your upcoming post. Enter a captivating title for your new post. Think of this as the headline that will grab attention and accurately encapsulate the message you want to convey. A well-crafted title not only piques interest, but can also enhance the reach of your post once it's live. Next, you'll need to add a visual element to your post, and that's where Canva comes in. To do this, click on the Add Image button. You'll be given a selection of options to choose an image source, and here you should select Canva. Canva is an extremely versatile design tool that offers a vast array of templates and graphics you can use to create stunning visual content. Once you choose Canva, you'll be redirected directly into the Canva platform. This seamless integration allows you to design right inside Buffer. Take a moment to browse through Canva's extensive library. You can pick a design or a template that best fits the narrative or aesthetic of your post. This is a crucial step because the visual aspect of your post can make a huge difference in attracting your audience. After you've selected and customized your design in Canva to your liking, look for the Add to Buffer option. Clicking this will bring your newly designed visual back to Buffer, ready to be incorporated into the post you're drafting. Now that you've got both your title and your visual content ready, you can click the Save Idea button. This is your final step in drafting your post, ensuring that all elements are securely stored and can be easily accessed when you're ready to finalize and schedule your post. And just like that, you've created an engaging piece of content using the power of Buffer and Canva. This method not only helps streamline your workflow, but also enriches the quality of your social media presence. With practice, you'll find this process becoming second nature, allowing you to focus even more on crafting content that resonates with your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy posting.